Good morning, reading students. I wanted to just show you the Canvas page and what we are expecting to do this week. First of all, just a nice little video message from the student body presidents around the state that you might enjoy watching. And then for our reading class, we're still working on word training, and the unit number that you should be working on is listed here in Canvas. I put a highlight of blue on the current week to point out this is the unit goal you should have for this week. Some of you are ahead of this, some of you are behind this. If you're behind, please just try to focus some time on that and try to get caught up. Remember, these are teaching the phonics skills you may have missed in elementary school that can really benefit you in figuring out new words. I find them interesting myself because I went through school at a time when we didn't have a lot of phonics instruction either. And so it's kind of interesting for me to see what some of the rules are that I grew up unaware of. So if you would please work this week to try to get caught up. If you're way behind, try to see if you can do 2 units this week and 2 next week, and just kind of just chip away at doing more than you would have to do in 1 week to try to get caught up. Hope you have a great week. If you have any questions or concerns, please contact me, and I would love to hear from you. I have video conferencing available. I'll put the link here on Canvas. It looks like I didn't have it for this class. If you have any questions or if you want help working through one of the lessons, you could sign in on the computer and share your screen with me, and I can talk you through it. So I would love to help you if you need it, and have a great week.